The first cover comes off, revealing a long-forgotten shape.
With the last tarp removed, the Miura stands exposed.
Dust reveals paint cracked by decades of storage. The body alignment already shows signs of fatigue.
Even opening the door feels heavy with history.
The chassis is secured before closer examination.
Rust beneath the paint raises immediate concerns.
Rust has progressed beneath the surface.
Oil has been escaping for a long time. The wiring has become dangerously fragile. Basic electrical checks confirm the system is compromised.
Potential weak points are carefully flagged.
Measurements are compared to original references.
The team commits to a complete rebuild.
Nothing leaves the car without a label.
Assessment.
Old rubber has completely failed.
Parts are arranged to mirror reassembly. Decades untouched. The drivetrain is carefully supported. Every connection is freed one by one. The Miura's drivetrain leaves the chassis. The engine is now ready for deep inspection. Old oil flows out, carrying years of wear.
The top of the engine is uncovered.
The camshafts reveal years of aging. Wear is measured against original specifications. The plugs tell a story of long neglect. The intake is removed for cleaning and inspection. Old seals cling as the cover comes free.
The chain shows clear signs of stretch.
The gearbox is opened with careful order. Shared gearbox reveals heavy wear. Gear wear confirms long-term fatigue.
Old residue is removed to expose the metal.
A small crack threatens the gearbox integrity. The team stops to reassess the repair strategy. The damaged area is cleaned to bare metal. The crack's true length is carefully revealed. The casing is repaired without replacing it. The repair is smoothed back to form. The repair passes its first critical test. The gearbox begins its careful reassembly. Fasteners are tightened to exact specifications. New gaskets ensure proper sealing. The pistons return to their bores.
The engine turns freely again.
The cylinder heads are secured with precision. Cam timing is set exactly to factory spec. Chain tension is restored to proper levels. The intake system returns to the V12. Fresh plugs complete the top-end assembly.
The wiring is restored with correct routing.
The alternator is secured and tensioned. Fresh hoses protect against overheating. The exhaust system begins its return. The V12 stands ready to return home. The wiring is reviewed section by section. Damaged insulation is carefully renewed. Proper conductivity is restored.
Each line is tested before installation.
Attention shifts to the cabin.
The original leather has fully dried out.
The seat regains its correct form. New leather restores the cabin's spirit.
The gauges are cleaned, not replaced.
The seats return to their place.
The body is carefully freed from the frame.
The chassis is secured for correction.
Alignment is measured to millimeter accuracy.
Frame is eased back into specification.
The chassis now matches factory geometry.
Corroded sections are carefully repaired. Welds are blended back into the body. Fresh primer seals the repaired metal. Panel gaps are adjusted with precision. The body is readied for its final finish.
With its frame.
The body is fixed precisely to the chassis.
The suspension is rebuilt under the car.
The rear suspension completes the chassis setup.
Breathe out of us.
The braking system is fully rebuilt.
Hydraulic pressure is made consistent.
V12 is lowered into its rightful place.
The drivetrain is fixed firmly to the chassis.
The fuel system is safely reconnected.
New oil prepares the engine for startup.
The cooling system is filled and bled.
Electrical power returns to the Miura. Everything is verified before the first start. The Miura wakes electrically for the first time.
The V12 begins to fire. The Miura idles with unmistakable character.
The car moves forward smoothly.
Are rechecked after warm-up. The rebuild holds under inspection.
The drivetrain responds cleanly.
The Miura feels alive and composed.